Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this short video, I will show you how to change the battery for this Xiaomi Robo Vacuum. After 2.5 years using, less than 3 years, it's about time to get a new battery. So this video will show you how to do that. First, you need to get a new battery. The one that I bought here is actually 9800 mAh. Then I just need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw, and then the grill, followed by the cover. Now once I remove the cover, I found that there are lots of dust on it, so I use another vacuum cleaner to remove the dust. Then you need a suction cup. Trust me, you need it. 2 of them, 2 inches, to actually extract this battery, original battery from it. And then it comes with a harness. Just press onto the release button and then pull it out. It will never go wrong, okay? You can actually go online, order one, and then just push it back into position, and there you go. So I will put the link in my video somewhere down here so that you can actually get the battery, and that's all. Put it back into the station, charge it up, and start vacuuming. And this is first time watching a video, remember subscribe to my channel. I appreciate a thumbs up. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.